What's the meaning of borders? Borders. Borders.
Borders. Borders. The term borders generally refers to the dividing lines or boundaries between two geographic or political entities, such as countries, states, or provinces. These borders can be defined by natural features like rivers or mountains, or they may be established through agreements between neighboring nations. The concept of borders can have significant social, economic, and political implications, affecting everything from trade and migration to national security and international relations. Understanding the meaning of borders is important for individuals and organizations alike, particularly those who operate or interact across national boundaries.